Barrister Hassan.
Good evening.
As we know, the asylum seekers and refugees in the UK used to have a family reunion option. However, that has been paused and there has been legal challenge to this. What can you tell us about this situation so far?
Safe Patches International granted permission for judicial review over refugee family reunion suspension. Charity argues suspension is irrational and breaches Equality Act and best interest duties to children. Safe Passage International has been granted permission to bring a judicial review against the Home Office over the suspension of the refugee family reunion pathway. The case, filed in November 2025, was approved by the High Court on 19 February 2026 and is expected to be heard later in the year. According to the Guardian, Mr. Justice Fordham accepted that the suspension could be challenged after hearing that it may breach the Home Office's duty to safeguard and promote the welfare of children. The suspension, which has been in force since 4th September 2025, halted a dedicated route that enabled recognized refugees to sponsor immediate family members without application fees or income requirements. Affected families must now apply under general family migration routes, which involve application fees, immigration health surcharge, and minimum income threshold. Uh, they also argues that the forcing refugee to rely on more complex and costly routes creates unnecessarily procedural and financial burden, even where applications may ultimately succeed on the basis of exceptional circumstances and may delay to or prevent family reunion. The claim also argues the decision breaches the Home Office's duty to safeguard and promote the welfare of children. Safe Passage International says the suspension fails to adequately consider the impact on children who may remain suspected, separated from parents in conflict zones, refugee camps, or other unsafe conditions. Without access to a safe reunion route, some children may face prolonged separation and attempt dangerous journey to reunite with families members. In addition, Safe Passage International argues the decision breaches the Equality Act 2010 by failing to consider its disproportionate impact on procedural groups, including women, children, and refugees with disabilities. According to Home Office data cited, the charity Women and Children accounted for 92% of refugee family reunion grants before the suspension. The charity says the financial requirements and application fees under alternative immigration routes are likely to be particularly difficult for refugees to meet, given barriers of to employment and financial stability associated with displacement and seeking protection. Thank you.
Thank you, Barrister Hassan.